How you doing? I'm Zufelt, and I'm the inventor of the Zip Seat Extractor. I've been a plumber and a small business owner for over 30 years. I invented the Zip Seat Extractor as a solution for a problem we had in the field. When we tried to rebuild a tub shower valve, I got sick and tired of trying to deal with these seats that are almost welded in there from the calcium and buildup over the years. It makes it nearly impossible to get these seats out without stripping them. You take what's relatively an inexpensive rebuild and now have turned it into a disaster, costing you $1,000, $1,500, more. About 5 years ago, I decided there's gotta be a better solution. That's when I invented the Zip Seat Extractor. This turns a 15-minute job into a 15-second job, literally. It works with any impact driver, any screw gun, any drill. It even works on some jobs where somebody already stripped that seat.
No more stripped valves. No more valve failures. No more frustrating work-stopping surprises. The Zip Seat Extractor from A&Z World.